Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do a day in the life of eating keto, coming up next. Hi my friends, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I am so pumped today to show you my full day of keto eating. I want to show you all my keto lunch, my keto dinner, but first, if you find this video helpful or like it, smash that like button. It helps others to see this video. Make sure you click subscribe, and if you want my free Weight Loss Wednesday email and my Fat Loss Friday email, sign up down in the description link below. It's one of my many free resources for the Countess of Low Carb community. Now let's dive into my full day of ketogenic diet eating. When you don't want to do it and you do it anyways, that's what I'm doing today, because I don't want to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. I parlayed getting coffee. I wanted to go from intermittent fasting into a workout, which sometimes can be very, very hard for me. Like, just being completely candid and honest can be very hard for me. So I did get my workout in, which I was very grateful for. Before I left for the day, I had to drive up to Northern Virginia to start off my keto day. I did want to get a workout in. How have you moved your body today? It doesn't have to be weightlifting, but how have you moved your body today? So I am out front to get my hair done. I'm going to get extensions. I've never had long extensions in, and I'm right near Trader Joe's. I'm tempted to go into Trader Joe's, but I'm going to go get my extensions done. I can show you guys what it looks like before, and then you guys can see the after. So this is before, and we'll see what it looks like after. I'm halfway through. Look how long they are. I'm very excited. Here's my real hair under there, and here's the fake hair. So we'll see how it looks. So I started my day not having my normal coffee on my full day of keto eating. I actually parlayed it to go get my hair extensions put in. So I went to go get my hair extensions put in. It helped prolong my fast, and I really enjoyed getting my hair done. Speaking of which, if you're interested in this bow, I will also link it down in the description link below. So I just left Trader Joe's, and I did end up getting some keto lunch. So let me show you what I got. So I got my hair done. Here's my hair. There's the full length of it. But I got Trader Joe's. I got some for lunch. I wanted to just grab something while I'm on the road for my keto lunch. I did get these uncured salamis, and my hair feels really weird. I got this avocado and Tanzanite dip. It was 2 carbs per 2 tablespoons. So each tablespoon is 1 carb. I plan on having 3 carbs, dipping my salami into it. Looks good to me. And the other thing I got from Trader Joe's, just a quick little haul here, was they had goat's milk cheese. I'm curious to try this. 0 carbs, of course, for 1 slice. I'm super curious. Goat's milk cheese. And these like slices. So that's going to be my lunch. It's going to be a good keto lunch. And so basically, I think I'm going to like 5 carbs for my whole keto lunch from Trader Joe's. After I got my hair done, I went over to Trader Joe's because it was literally right around the corner for folks in the Ashburn area in Northern Virginia. It was great because I was easily able to pick up some cheese, some dip, and some salami. It was so good, or pepperoni, salami, pepperoni, same difference. The cheese was goat's milk cheese in shredded format. Not shredded, sliced format. I had not seen that before, and it was 0 carbs for 1 slice. I'm assuming a couple of slices of it would be 1 carb is what I'm counting it as. And then the second thing I got was salami slices, so stinking good. Those were technically, I would say, 1 carb per thing. It was 4 ounces was the container. Usually when I do intermittent fasting and then break it for a keto meal, with my keto meal, I like to have 6 ounces of meat, Like 6 ounces of meat works very well for me. I'm tall, 6 to 7 ounces. It's a lot of protein, but I get so full after eating it, which is why I'm really intentional about it. So the 4 ounces, it was great. With the cheese, it was great because I could make like little roll-ups. And then I had the delicious, I had never had the Trader Joe's avocado, I'm not gonna say this right, Tanzaniki? It's the Greek sauce. It's like the Greek Tanzaniki yogurt dip, but they had avocado in it for 1 carb per tablespoon. So I had 3 tablespoons. So that whole meal, that whole keto lunch was 5 carbs for the keto meal. Yay! So it was really like easy keto. If you got keto to go, like I grabbed it, got it, ate it in my car as I was driving. And I had a really busy day of commuting around in my car, which some days it happens. So that was my awesome keto lunch. I am so thirsty. I am so thirsty after having that salami. So I stopped at Walgreens. I'm going to run in and get 2 bottles of Perrier or Pellegrino or some sort of sparkling water. I'm really, really thirsty. So the long hair has made me really parched. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to go in and get some of that. Hopefully, so I won't have my next keto meal. I'm trying desperately not to have a keto snack as to not spike my insulin for weight loss. But I'm going to get some sparkling water instead. I'm running away from these bad boys. No boo Oreo cookies. Back over to get the water. As I went along, I decided I really was thirsty. And so like really thirsty. I think the salami's triggered. I don't know. I was really thirsty, probably with the additives in it. I needed to get some sparkling water, which I love. That for me, and this would be my hack for you, is finding things that keep you full, that you enjoy. I really sincerely enjoy sparkling water. So I stopped off at a Walgreens of all places and was like, I'm gonna run in and get some sparkling water. And I did. It was great. I got 4 of them. It was $6 for 4 of them, which on the budget standpoint, but I needed it, and I was over like an hour and a half away from home, so it's not like I could just bring it with me, which I normally do. To puppy yoga. Some of y'all know I own 7 businesses, and one of them is we do puppy yoga for an animal rescue. We've raised over almost $10,000 for animal rescues by doing puppy yoga. So I went to go to puppy yoga to go run it. Even though I'm not participating in the puppy yoga, I sweat because I'm running around wrangling puppies, helping people. It really does make me sweat a lot. So then after that, it was getting late, but I wanted to have a keto dinner. I really wanted a keto dinner. So I went to Outback and I ended up getting the Outback steak. I did get that with asparagus and a salad also with Thousand Island dressing on it, no croutons. And that really kept me full. So if you track your carbs, what I would suggest using is Carb Manager. It's really, really simple to go in, and then you can track all of your carbs. Like for your Outback meals, I use the Carb Manager Premium because it calculates net carbs, but it helped me figure out, okay, do I want the broccoli? Like what side do I want? I was using the Carb Manager Premium to help me figure out for my full day of eating, like, okay, how many carbs do I want to have on this ketogenic day? So I did also do my 7 list. If you guys saw my video, which I'll link down below, of my weight loss hacks, one of them was my index card, which I definitely did. If you found this video helpful, dance your fingers down there and go ahead and click like if you found it helpful. Click subscribe and make sure you sign up for my Fat Loss Friday, Weekly Wednesday, encouragement emails, all things encouraging here in the Countess of Low Carb community. Make it a powerful day. Bye guys.